Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 1 p.m. At 12:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Creswell, or near Marion, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Providence, Seabury, Clay, Dixon, Slaughters, and Wheatstraw. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 128 and 137. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Crittenden, and Webster. Until 1 p.m. for southern Wheatley, north central Benton, and Henry counties. At 12:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gleason, or 9 miles northwest of McKenzie, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, McKenzie, Paris Landing State Park, Dresden, Greenfield, Gleason, Sharon, Cottage Grove, Roughton, Bernier, Henry, Sandy Hill, Old Springville, Como, Sunnyside, Whitlock, Porter Court, Conyers,ville, Pine Hill, and Ore Springs. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley. Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Weakley County in West Tennessee, Henry County in West Tennessee, until 1 p.m. At 12:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cottage Grove, or 8 miles northwest of Paris, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Paris, Paris Landing State Park, Cottage Grove, Palmersville, Roughton, Bernier, Jonesville, Foundry Hill, Crossland, Buchanan, India, Mill Creek, Osage, Sunnyside, Whitlock, Porter Court, Conyers,ville, Pine Hill, and Big Sandy Unit Tennessee National Wildlife Refuge. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley.